So today I'm going to be showing how to install any toolbox into the bed of any truck in 5 minutes or less.
Don't crash my whip, I'ma need to stay for a minute. I just popped a pill, can't feel it. I'ma sip it, don't wonder why I ain't got feelings. Cause I haven't seen you in a minute. Haven't seen you in a minute. Girl, the way you act ain't with it. Scars on my mind, can't heal it.
Oh, what's up guys? Didn't see it chilling over there. Anyway, since you're over there, today I'm going to be installing a toolbox in the bed of my 2012 F-150 Lariat Limited, and we're going with the Husky box that I got a good deal on. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take some measurements, just use a regular old tape measure, and make sure that it's square on each end, front and back, and side to side. Okay, so I measured it out. I got it measured up to exactly where I want it. I'm gonna take my Milwaukee drill, and this is a 3/8 inch drill bit. But we're gonna take this 3/8 inch drill bit and drill 2 holes on either side of this, big enough to fit a couple lugs, a couple bolts down there. These are 5-inch bolts, 5-inch 3/8 bolts with 2 washers. Okay, so I drilled 1 hole in the corner closer to the tailgate on this side, and then I drilled 1 closer to the back on the right-hand side. So feed my bolt down there. So we're gonna both fit down. Now we're gonna go underneath and toss these washers on them and their nuts. And so I've just got a pair of channel locks up here holding the nut for me. That way that doesn't spin when I'm underneath here screwing it up. Okay, so there's one bolt over there, and here's the other one right here. Luckily came through in 2 good spots. Nice and easy through the wheel well here. Got the nut on the top, got the washer here. And I'm gonna do the same thing I did up top there. I'm just gonna take a pair of these vice grips here, like that. So that way when I start spinning it, they smack into here. Nice and simple. All you're gonna do is take a drill up top here. But alright guys, so that's how you install any toolbox in the bed of any truck, really in any position. All you really need is a socket, some nuts, bolts, washers, and a drill. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you check out my other videos. Make sure you drop a like, a comment, subscribe, send this video to your friends if you think it was good. I'm gonna be doing more how-tos, and we're gonna be getting a white truck, a green machine playlist. All right, so it's the same day. Just finished up with that toolbox. Gonna continue a little bit here because something dope just happened. Literally dope. Look at this. Look at this. So we got some Asante 22 by 12.5. So about to crack up the lugs on this side. I'm gonna crack that wheel and this wheel. All right, so it's getting a little late here. I'm trying to take my time because I wanted to clean these things a little bit. They're a little dirty. Have some brake dust and stuff on them left from the previous owner, so I want to clean them up. These are 22-inch Asantes. They are clean. Good tires, good rims, lugs, and the rock lights and wiring harness. Just using a bit of this Black Magic no scrub, cleaning up the wheels on the backs. Gonna go ahead and just pop this side off. I'm using the Milwaukee impact now because the air gun fucking sucks for some reason. So I'm just going around and using the tire gauge here, making sure all these are up to 40 pounds PSI for these guys.
Crash my whip, I'ma need to stay for a minute. I just popped a pill, can't feel it, I'ma sip it till it's finished. She gon' wonder why I ain't got feelings, cause I haven't seen you in a minute. Go and crash my whip, I'ma need to stay for a minute. I just popped a pill, can't feel it.